Next, the kernels are meticulously sorted by our automated systems, removing any imperfections.
Here, the freshly roasted peanuts are precisely channeled through a vibrating mesh, filtering out any fragments to guarantee perfect consistency.
After roasting to perfection, the peanuts are rushed into large stainless steel bins for collection.
Our robotic arms precisely deliver the roasted peanuts to the high-volume grinders, the next step in our efficient process.
The optical sorting machine uses advanced sensors to inspect every single peanut, guaranteeing perfect consistency. After roasting, the peanuts enter the cooling bin, where agitators gently stir them to reduce the temperature and release the steam.
Our state-of-the-art infrared sensors monitor the tumbling peanuts, guaranteeing the optimal temperature for a perfect golden roast. The perfectly roasted peanuts cascade into the hopper, ready for the grinding process.
The automated hopper precisely aligns with the industrial grinder. Once the doors slide open, the grinding process.
Next, the perfectly roasted peanuts are guided into the grinder, where the auger begins the transformation.
The salted peanuts are measured to exactly 500 grams for perfect consistency in our quality control process.
Next, the freshly salted peanuts are moved to our state-of-the-art cooling trays. The gentle vibration ensures even cooling for perfect freshness.
Inside the industrial grinder, counter-rotating steel rollers crush the roasted peanuts, transforming them into a rich, smooth paste.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every jar of peanut butter is filled with satisfying precision, moving efficiently down the line.
The freshly ground peanuts are blended to perfection, creating that satisfyingly smooth texture you love. The final step, a rich, satisfying flow of peanut butter, crafted with care in our state-of-the-art facility.
Next, the chunky blend flows into our state-of-the-art heating unit for precise temperature control and pasteurization.
The freshly made, still warm peanut butter flows directly from the refinement stage into the filling hoppers, ready for bottling. Utilizing advanced automation, the peanut butter travels through miles of hygienic piping, ensuring peak freshness and flavor. A thick column of our signature chunky peanut butter flows into the final holding vat, maintaining that perfect, satisfying swirl. Here in the final holding vat, the chunky peanut butter is given one last satisfying stir before it's bottled and shipped.
Clean glass jars begin their journey down our state-of-the-art production line.
After a thorough wash, the jars enter the UV sterilization tunnel, ensuring every container is perfectly clean and ready for filling. Here at the quality control station, a precise blue laser scans every empty jar, checking for even the slightest imperfection. Here, the automated system positions the jars with pinpoint accuracy before they are filled with fresh peanut butter. The automated line moves the empty jars with precision, ready for the fresh peanut butter.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every jar is filled with the freshest, creamiest peanut butter.
The automated sealing station ensures every jar is airtight, maintaining peak freshness.
As the jars reach the carousel, the vibratory feeder rapidly aligns the caps, ensuring a perfect seal every time.
Once filled with our finest creamy peanut butter, the jars move to the capping station, where a robotic arm ensures a perfect seal every time. Every jar is precisely stamped with an expiration date by the high-speed inkjet system.
The peanut butter is then passed through our automated quality control system, ensuring every jar meets our high standards before it leaves the factory.
Utilizing advanced pneumatics, the system ensures a satisfyingly precise fit as the boxes are formed around the fresh jars. The automated labeling process is mesmerizingly efficient, applying a crisp label in seconds.
High-speed automation ensures precise labeling, a critical step in our modern production line. The automated labeling system ensures every jar is perfectly wrapped before moving to packaging.
Here at the labeling station, high-speed rollers ensure a perfect finish every time, demonstrating the efficiency of our automated process. The robotic arm ensures every jar is perfectly placed, maximizing efficiency. Efficiency is key. Our robotic systems meticulously fold each box and prepare it for the filling stage.
The automated packing station handles jars with satisfying efficiency, moving them from the line to the box.
The cartons move rapidly to the sealing station, where high-speed precision ensures a perfect seal every time.
Our state-of-the-art facility includes this checkpoint, verifying the precise weight of 500 grams before moving on.
The automated wrapping station ensures every pallet is secured with precision, maintaining the highest standards of efficiency.
The automated conveyor system ensures every pallet is scanned efficiently, guaranteeing accuracy before shipment.
From the production line to the warehouse, efficiency is key to delivering the freshest product. The automated crane precisely lowers the forklift into the trailer, ready for the next shipment of fresh peanuts.
Every pallet is meticulously scanned, ensuring perfect inventory control before it leaves our loading dock. Once loaded, a tamper-evident seal is applied to ensure the product's integrity during transit.
Here are the documents for shipment 724.
Got it. Looks complete. Thanks.
Once the engine is engaged, the journey from our factory to your table can begin.
Pallets of creamy peanut butter are efficiently transferred to the temperature-controlled warehouse, ensuring peak freshness from our factory to your table. The pallets are securely loaded onto the liftgate for transport. And finally, the freshest peanut butter is carefully stocked, ready for you to enjoy. From our factory to your table, enjoy the satisfying crunch of our finest peanut butter.
From our factory to your basket, we ensure every jar meets the highest standards of quality and freshness.